Okay, so today we're learning about bottom lashes. First, we're going to start off with using 2 pieces of tape just to lift the client's lids to help better expose those bottom eyelashes, just so we can get a good visual. I like to take another piece of tape and just lightly pull down on the bottom lashes. On this next part, we're going to take a gel pad just to place it down underneath, just to help us really see clearly how many lashes the client has, just to make sure we're lashing everything. We're going to use our tool just to pull out anything that may have been taped down or got stuck underneath while taping. The more practice you get, you will do what's comfortable for you, so you may not even use a gel pad. When lashing top or bottom lashes, just always remember to do what you feel most comfortable with. This next part, we are priming the lashes just as we would for the top. And this is where things get real. So here we are lashing the bottom lashes. We are literally placing one single lash onto the client's natural lash. Now, sometimes I go in and use volume fans, but you have to ensure that you're using maybe a 0.3 or 0.5, just so those fans aren't too big. And this is just an up close of me lashing the bottom lashes. I'm actually using a volume fan here. Bottom lashes can be shorter, longer. You can always ask your client what their preferences. Now, when you are lashing the bottoms, some clients may take longer than others depending on how full their bottom lashes naturally are. Now, once you finish, you are going to go in and you are going to apply a sealant. That is very important. Just as we would apply a sealant for the top, we're going to apply it for the bottom. And then once you're all done, we're going to remove that tape. And always remember to let your clients know that the retention of bottom lashes varies per client.